Chapter 6, application of derivatives, increasing and decreasing functions. Now, if the graph, this is increasing function, the graph is increasing. If the graph is continuously increasing, no break, here it is break, here it is break, this is called strictly increasing function. Strictly increasing function. If the graph is like that, this is decreasing function. If the graph is continuously decreasing, it is strictly decreasing function. Strictly decreasing function. If the graph is like that, it is neither increasing nor decreasing. यहां तक इंक्रीज हुआ, फिर डिक्रीज हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ, फिर इंक्रीज होना स्टार्ट हुआ. This is neither increasing nor decreasing. Now see here, I will use, there are two methods to decide increasing and decreasing function. I will use using derivative method. How will you represent mathematically? Now see here, if in increasing function, let f be a function on interval AB. If f dash x is greater than or equal to 0, it is increasing function. If f dash x greater than 0, it is strictly increasing function. In this, let f be a function on interval AB, then f dash x less than or equal to 0, it is decreasing function. If f dash x is less than 0, it is strictly decreasing function. Now there is one more case, that is critical point. What is critical point? In that case, f dash x does not exist. F dash x does not exist. Yeah, f dash x is equal to 0. Now I will tell you how to find the increasing and decreasing function. So write down method to find out the function on the intervals increasing or decreasing. Method to find the intervals, the function is increasing or decreasing. Method to find the function is increasing or decreasing. Method to find the function is increasing or decreasing. Now see here, number 1, let the function let the function f be fx on interval AB. Let the function be fx on interval AB. Second step, find f dash x. Find f dash x and using f dash x is equal to 0, find all the points which satisfying the given interval, that is a and a to b. If interval, important, interval is not mentioned, then consider r. उसको क्या ले लीजिएगा? रियल नंबर, that is minus infinity to infinity. Now third point, arrange all the points, that is arrange all the points in ascending order. Arrange all the points in ascending order, that is x1 x2 सारे points को किस में रख दीजिए? ascending orders में, xn. Fourth step, find the value of check f dash x, that is you have to check f dash x sign. If in the intervals a x1 x2 x3 dash xn b, check the sign of f dash x. Fifth, if the sign of f dash x is positive, function is strictly increasing. If the sign is positive, function is strictly increasing. If f dash x is negative, function is strictly decreasing. This is the method to calculate exercise 6.2. Question number first. Show that the function fx is equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing on r. So you have to only शो करना है, प्रूव करना है कि fx कैसा फंक्शन है? स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज आवर मेथड? फाइंड f dash x. व्हाट इज 3? नाउ व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ f dash x? 3. r रियल नंबर है, रियल नंबर में आता है 3. तो व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ 3? पॉजिटिव. इट मींस f dash x क्या है? ग्रेटर देन 0. अगर f dash x ग्रेटर देन 0 है तो it means it is strictly increasing on r. Now I take second question. Show that the function fx is equal to e to the power 2x strictly increasing on r, strictly increasing on r. Same. So it is fx. So we find f dash x. F dash x is equal to 2 e to the power 2x. 2x का किया 2. Now check the sign. Sign check करेंगे तो it means 2 e to the power 2x is greater than 0. x रियल नंबर है, कोई भी वैल्यू ले लो e की, तो वो क्या रहेगा, ग्रेटर देन 0 ही रहेगा. इट मींस f dash x इज ग्रेटर देन 0. इट मींस इज स्ट्रिक्टली फंक्शन ऑन r, is strictly increasing function on r. One more question I will do. See on the board. Question number 3. Show that the function fx is equal to sin x is a strictly increasing किसमें 0 to pi by 2, b strictly decreasing pi by 2 pi by 2 pi, c neither increasing nor decreasing 0 to pi. A point. First, what is the function? Fx is equal to sin x. Now differentiate it. Find the value of f dash x. It is cos x. Now check sign of f dash x of f. Now if I put, what is the range given to you? 0 to pi by 2 में check करना है. If I take pi by 4, so f dash is equal to cos pi by 4. x हटा क्या लिख दिया, तो ये क्या आ गया 1 by root 2. Means it is positive. इस रेंज में फंक्शन क्या हो रहा है, पॉजिटिव. So f dash x is greater than 0 in interval 0 to pi by 2. So it is strictly increasing. Now see, now f dash x क्या है, b पार्ट में f dash x is equal to cos x, but इंटरवल क्या है, पाई से pi by 2. If I take cos x is equal to 3 pi by 2, cos x इसके बीच में लेंगे तो क्या लें, 3 pi by 4 ले लें, 90 से 180 135 ले लेते हैं. x क्या ले लेते हैं, 135 डिग्री ले लेते हैं. तो इसको आप क्या लिखोगे, cos 90 plus 45. It means it is minus sin 45. It is minus 1 by root 2. Means f dash x क्या आ गया, sin क्या आ गया, नेगेटिव. So it is पाई से pi by 2 में ये क्या हो गया, strictly decreasing. Now in this range you see that 0 to pi तो फंक्शन क्या हुआ, बड़ा, 0 to pi, और pi by 2 to pi क्या हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ. So it is neither increasing nor decreasing. Question number 4. See here. Find the intervals. Find the intervals. Function is given to you by fx is given to you 2x square minus 3x. 2x square minus 3x a. Find करना है strictly इंक्रीजिंग, बी करना है स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग। नाउ यू सी हियर इधर इंटरवल नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो अपन जो इंटरवल है वो क्या ले लेंगे, लेट इंटरवल बी आर, दैट इज माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी। If interval is not given, take it r, real number, minus infinity to infinity. Now, what is function? Fx is given to you 2x square minus 3x. Now find f dash x. 2 into 2, 4x minus 3. Now make f dash x 0 and find the values of x. इस रेंज में अपन x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, कितने पॉइंट्स हैं? 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 4. So you see this is a line, minus infinity to infinity, एक point आया 3 by 4. So you see here दो पॉइंट बन गए, minus infinity to 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 to infinity. Now I will check sign of f dash x. पहले इसके बीच में चेक करेंगे। फर्स्ट आई टेक माइनस इंफिनिटी टू 3 by 4, तो f dash x का साइन चेक करते हैं। माइनस इंफिनिटी टू 3 by 4, इट मींस इफ आई टेक 0, 3 by 4 के बीच में आएगा 0 ले लीजिए। अगर इफ आई टेक 0 या -1 0 लीजिए तो क्या आएगा, f dash x का साइन क्या आएगा, 0, 3 by 4, 0, 1, -1 ले लीजिए, लेट x is equal to -1, इसके बीच में आ रहा है, पुट इट हियर, f dash x की जो साइन आएगा क्या आएगा, 4 into -1 -3 यानी कि -4 -3 -7, नेगेटिव आया, नेगेटिव, इट मींस -3 pi by minus infinity to 3 by 4, the function is strictly decreasing. Now second, 3 by 4 to infinity को चेक कीजिए, साइन चेक कीजिए, f dash x, इसमें क्या आया, f dash x क्या आया, लेस देन 0 आया, ठीक है। इसमें f dash x की वैल्यू चेक कीजिए, 3 by 4, 1 ले लीजिए, if I take 1, 4 minus 3, 1, f dash x क्या आ गया, पॉजिटिव आ गया, इट मींस f dash x greater than 0, so in this range is strictly increasing, strictly increasing. 3 by 4, question number 5. Find the intervals. Find the intervals in which the function fx is equal to, given to you, 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is a strictly increasing, b strictly decreasing. I denote strictly decreasing by this arrow, let this increasing. So here also interval is not given to you. Interval is not given to you. Take the interval ले लीजिए minus infinity to infinity. Now fx is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36 plus 7. Now find f dash x. 2 into 3, 6x square. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square multiplied by 2, 6x square minus 6x 2, 3 minus 6x and minus 36 and 7 का 0. Now f dash x is equal to, take 6 common, x square minus x minus 6. Now factorize it. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, x minus 3 plus 2, x minus 3. So 6x minus 3, x plus 2. This is f dash x. Now make f dash x is equal to 0. First, this bracket equate to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 3. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, it means x is equal to minus 2. Now, see here, this is a line minus infinity to infinity. So, suppose here minus 2 and 3. 2 points are there, minus 2 and 3. Now, what are the intervals now? एक बना minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to 3 or 3 to this. Now what you do? Now check f dash x sin. क्या करेंगे? f dash x sin चेक करेंगे. पहला लेते हैं minus infinity to minus 2. Now sin चेक करते हैं. f dash x minus infinity to minus 2. If I take minus infinity से minus 2 के बीच में कोई नंबर ले लीजिए. Suppose I will take minus 3. मैंने minus 3 लिया, तो this is minus and this is minus. दोनों minus हो जाएंगे और ये क्या बन जाएगा? Positive. If I take x is equal to minus 3. minus 6 हुआ और ये minus 1 हुआ, तो positive हो गया. It means f dash x greater 0. इस पॉइंट पे क्या हो गया? ग्रेटर 0. नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट लीजिए, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3. इसमें कोई एक पॉइंट ले लीजिए, 0 ले लेते हैं सपोज, या 1 ले लीजिए, कुछ भी ले लीजिए. 0 ले लिया तो ये हो गया 2 पॉजिटिव और ये नेगेटिव, तो ये हो जाएगा इफ आई टेक x is equal to 0, तो f dash x का साइन क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव. इट मींस f dash x is less than 0. नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट लीजिए, क्या है? 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity पे मान लीजिए आपने लिया 4 and 4 both are positive. So इधर f dash x क्या आ गया? अगर मैंने 4 लिया तो f dash x की वैल्यू आ गई क्या? पॉजिटिव. मींस f dash x क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिव होते ग्रेटर देन 0. तो इन दो पे तो हो गया स्ट्रिक्टली दिस and this. So this and this, तो strictly increasing. आंसर क्या हो गया? -2, minus infinity to -2 and 3 to infinity. Strictly decreasing. क्या हो गया? -2 to -3. Strictly decreasing. ये इंक्रीज हो गया, increasing and decreasing. Question number 6, C part. Find the intervals in the following functions are strictly increasing or decreasing. Function is given to you, fx is given to you, minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. See here, now what we do, we find f dash x. First we find f dash x. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square multiplied by 2 minus 6x square minus 18x minus 12. Now f dash x, taking minus 6 common, so it is x square minus 3x plus 3x plus 2, minus taking outside. Now factor it, minus 6 x square plus 2x plus 2 minus 6 x common, x plus 2 plus 1 common, x plus 2. Now minus 6 x plus 2 x plus 1. Now equate f dash x is equal to 0. You find that if I put x plus 2 is equal to 0, this implies x equals to minus 2. If I take x plus 1 is equal to 0, it is x is equal to minus 1. Now see that this is minus infinity, this is infinity. Here it is minus 2 and here it is minus 1. So the intervals are minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 1, and minus 1 to infinity. Now we check first minus infinity to minus 2. If I take minus 3, you see that what check sign of f dash x at this point, if I take this interval minus infinity to minus 2, if I take minus 3, so minus, this is minus and this is minus, minus minus plus, it is positive. So in this interval f dash x is greater than 0, f dash x is greater than 0. Now minus infinity, and you will take minus sign, minus 3, minus minus plus, and here it is minus, so it is less than 0, negative at minus. Second point, you can take minus 2 to minus 1. Now see here f dash x is, now check f dash x, this is f dash x. Now check, I will take minus 2 to minus 1, you will take minus 1.5, minus 1.5 you can take and check the values. Minus 1.5 I will take, it is positive, it is positive. 1.5, it is positive, it is negative, so it is positive. So f dash x greater than 0. Third, I will take minus 1 to infinity. Check the sign of f dash x. कोई भी एक पॉइंट ले लीजिए. If I take 2, positive, positive, positive 2 I will take. So positive, positive, and it is negative. So f dash x is negative. So f dash x is negative. So in these 2 points, the function is strictly decreasing. These 2 points, the function is strictly decreasing. Minus infinity to this and minus 1 to infinity is decreasing. So at these 2 points, this and this decreasing, strictly decreasing, strictly decreasing, and this is strictly increasing. E part function is fx is x plus 1 का क्यूब x minus 3 का क्यूब, x plus 1 का क्यूब x minus 3 का क्यूब. Now you find f dash x. First you find f dash x. Use product rule first and second. First function as it is, differentiate of second 3x minus 3 का whole square plus second x minus 3 whole cube, differentiate of first 2x plus 1 square. Now I will take common f dash x is equal to 3 x plus 1, least power I will take common x minus 3 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, take out common. Now what is remaining here? X plus 1 and here x minus 3. Now you see that f dash x is equal to 3 x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, it is 2x minus 2. You take 2 common, so f dash x finally 6x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square and x minus 1. Now what you do? We do f dash x is equal to 0. Now अब क्या करेंगे? f dash x 0 करके we find the values of the intervals. x की वैल्यू पॉइंट्स निकालेंगे. So first I take x plus 1 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 1. x minus 3 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 3. x minus 1 is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 1. So what are the points here on the line? Interval you take minus infinity to infinity. See here, minus infinity to infinity, minus 1, 1 and 3. 1, 3 and minus 1. Now I will take first point minus infinity to minus 1. Now see here, minus infinity to minus 1, what is f dash x? You will take any point, minus 2 you can take. This is positive. This is positive. If I take x is equal to minus 2, this is positive. This is positive and this is negative. This is negative. So it is negative. So f dash x less than 0. Now second, I will take minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. So in this you can take 0. This is positive. This is positive. This is negative. So f dash x is negative, f dash x less than 0. Now third point, it is 1 comma 3. So I will take 2. पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव, ये तो पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा, स्क्वायर है इसलिए. ओनली चेक दिस ब्रैकेट. 2 minus 1, f dash x क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिव. So f dash x is greater than 0. Now fourth point, 3 to infinity, f dash x is क्या होएगा? 4 ले लीजिए. ये तो पॉजिटिव ही रहेंगे, दोनों स्क्वायर है, और ये भी पॉजिटिव हो गया. So f dash x greater than 0. You can see that in first two cases the function is decreasing. In these two cases it is strictly decreasing, and in these two cases strictly increasing. Question number 7. Show that y is equal to log 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x, x is greater than minus 1, is an increasing function throughout domain, is an increasing function. x greater than minus 1 के बाद this function is increasing function. Now what you do, you have to find dy by dx. First we find dy by dx. What is the differentiation of log 1 upon x? So it is 1 plus 1 upon x minus quotient rule, denominator का square, denominator as it is, differentiate of numerator, it is 2 minus denominator minus numerator into differentiate of denominator, that is 2 plus x, क्या है 1. Now 1 upon 1 plus x minus 2 plus x whole square, that is 4 plus 2x minus 2x, this cancelled out. Now 1 upon 1 plus x minus 4 upon 2 plus x whole square. Now I will take LCM. 1 plus x, 2 plus x whole square, here it is 2 plus x whole square minus 4 multiplied by 1 plus x, इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या बचेगा, केवल 1 plus x, so minus 4 and minus 4x. Now dy by dx is equal to, expand with a plus b whole square, 4 plus x square plus 4x minus 4x upon 1 plus x 2 plus x whole square. Now see here, this 4x cancel out, this is also cut, plus 4 minus 4, so you see that dy by dx is equal to x square upon 1 plus x 2 plus x whole square. Now you see that it is also called f dash x. Now see that this is the value of f dash x. Here we see that f dash x is greater than 0 for every x greater than minus 1. x minus 1 से बड़ा लेंगे, नहीं तो क्या होगा, ये नेगेटिव आएंगी वैल्यू. This is positive, this is positive, x is greater than minus 1, otherwise it is negative. So this proves that f dash x greater than 0, इसमें कोई भी वैल्यू x ग्रेटर देन माइनस 1 से ऊपर लीजिए, ये सब क्या आएगा, पॉजिटिव आएगा. इफ यू टेक 1 इट इज पॉजिटिव, इफ यू टेक माइनस 2 इट इज नेगेटिव, बिकॉज माइनस आ जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में, है ना, सो इट इज नेगेटिव. दिस प्रूव्स दैट f dash x इज स्ट्रिक्टली, f dash x strictly, f dash x strictly increasing at x greater than minus 1. Question 9. Prove that y is equal to 4 sin theta upon 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function of theta in 0 to pi by 2. So we will first find dy by theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Here you can apply quotient rule. Denominator का square, denominator Differentiate of, take 4 common. Differentiate of numerator, sin का हो गया cos, minus numerator differentiate of denominator, 2 का 0, cos का क्या होगा minus sin theta. Now what is the differentiation of theta? -1. -1. Now dy by d theta is equal to 4 bracket 2 cos theta plus cos square theta minus minus plus sin square theta upon 2 plus cos theta का whole square minus 1. Now take LCM this and 4 multiply in the bracket. So dy by d theta is equal to 8 cos theta. This is 1. ये क्या हो जाएगा 1, और 1 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 4 प्लस 4 माइनस 2 प्लस कॉस थीटा होल स्क्वायर अपॉन एलसीएम लिया क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 2 प्लस cos theta का होल स्क्वायर. नाउ दिस विल ओपन विद द आइडेंटिटी dy by d theta इक्वल टू 8 cos theta प्लस 4 माइनस, सारे माइनस हो जाएंगे, आउटसाइड ब्रैकेट इज माइनस, माइनस 4 cos थीटा माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 2 प्लस cos थीटा का होल स्क्वायर. दिस विल कैंसिल आउट, 8 में से 4 गया तो क्या बचा 4, 8 में से 4 गया तो 4. dy by d थीटा इज इक्वल टू 4 cos थीटा माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 2 plus cos theta का whole square. Now you can see that cos theta is common. So I will take cos theta common. So dy by d theta is equal to 4 minus cos theta upon 2 plus cos theta का whole square. This differentiate complete. Now check the sign of dy by d theta. So dy by d theta in the interval 0, 5/2. This also include, if I put 0 here, cos 0 is 1, 4 minus 1, ऊपर क्या आ गया पॉजिटिव, नीचे होल स्क्वायर है तो ये क्या रहेगा dy by d theta क्या हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, और π/2 रखेंगे तो ये 0 हो गया. एनीथिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0 इज 0 पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, ये क्या बना इंक्रीजिंग बना, क्योंकि इजिकल टू 0 भी आ रहा है इसलिए स्ट्रिक्टली नहीं बना. तो dy by d theta इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू क्या हो गया 0 हो गया. सो इट इज इंक्रीजिंग function. It is increasing function. Now I will take question number 14. Find the least value of a. Find the least value of a. Find the least value of a. Function is given by, function f is given by fx is equal to x square plus ax plus 1 is strictly increasing, is strictly increasing 1 on 1 comma 2. Now see here, f dash x is equal to 2x plus a. F dash x 2x plus a. It is given to you x is strictly increasing 1 and 2. Now multiply both sides by 2, you will get this. Now add in equation a on both sides. 2 plus a, 2x plus a and 4 plus a. 2 plus a, this is what? F dash x, 4 plus a. Now you see that f dash x is greater than or equal to 0. It means value starts from here and this value is greater than or equal to 0. 2 plus a greater than or equal to 0. It means a is greater than or equal to minus 2. It means a is equal to minus 2. This is the least value. Question number 15. Let I be any interval disjoint from -1 to 1. प्रूव करना है, प्रूव function f is strictly increasing on I, is strictly increasing on I. fx दिया हुआ है x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x. Now see here, f dash x is equal to 1 minus 1 upon x square. Now f dash x is equal to, take LCM x square minus 1. F dash x is equal to x minus 1 x plus 1 upon x square. Now what you do, f dash x is equal to 0, तो क्या हो जाएगा, x minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 0 करेंगे तो x is equal to 1, x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So this is the points minus infinity, minus 1, 1 and infinity. This is the disjoint point. Okay, in this point minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity, the function is strictly increasing. Minus infinity to minus 1, you can check. Minus infinity to minus 1, it will become minus infinity. You can take any point, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 3 और minus 3, ये भी minus minus positive, minus minus plus and plus, it is positive. At this point f dash x is greater than 0. Here 1 comma infinity, f dash x is 2 ले लीजिए, 2 2. So plus is always plus, it is greater than 0. At this